I'm not a perfect girl. My hair doesn't always stay in place, and I spell things a lot. I am pretty clumsy, and sometimes I have a broken heart. One day, I meet a guy whom I felt so comfortable to be with. Someone I could share my secrets and talk to late at night when I can't sleep. Someone who spent time with my family and friends. Someone who comfort me when I am sad and hold me when I am scared. Someone who doesn't just say that he loves me, but means it too. When I first met you, I honestly had no idea that you would be so important. We don't meet people by accidentally. They are meant for a reason. Because the best thing in life is having someone who knows all your flaws, mistakes, and weakness, but still thinks you are completely amazing.